Hello guys, so in this video we are going to be navigating through the Meeds wallet. Alright, you have to navigate through the Meeds wallet and we're just gonna see all that has been happening here. So if you can see, I'm actually in my dashboard. Okay, this is my dashboard, and let's take a little experiment. If you can see on my dashboard, we have some values here, and if you are confused, let me explain. This value that shows rewards, alright, it's a product of what we have in weekly contributions. And I don't know if you understand statistics and you can read bars and charts. We'll explore more actually. So where we have my rewards, we have estimated and we have balance. Alright, so estimation, when we talk about estimated, we are talking about estimation. That means it's not a real value, and at the same time it's actually dynamic. Estimated wallet is actually dynamic. Why I'm saying is dynamic is because we have pools of people. Alright, we have pools. This leaderboard that we see here, you can see the top 3, 4, 5, 6, and we have more. We have a pool of, call it 1000 Meeds. Alright, so we are sharing that pool. That means that pool now you can equate it to 100%, and if we have any tax, or if anyone achieve a particular number of points, the Meeds token that you have here in the estimated panel actually changes. And then where you have balance actually shows the actual value you have in your wallet. When I mean your wallet, this can be your Meeds wallet or your MetaMask wallet. Alright, so this is actually static and can only this is static, and it's actually very real because this is what you have. This value here is not real at, or let's say it's not real per se, because it is not the final value. This can change if anyone perform any tax. It can increase, it can reduce. So that is it. Then talking about the weekly contribution panel, you can see the chart here. This actually explain or gives a clear illustration in charts about what you've done that have earned you points, or that have earned you the Meeds token. So if you can see in my activity, the green part, this 91%, it actually shows that I've engaged in education. Alright, this educates, I've engaged in the education tax 91% of my total earnings. And then in the promotion, look at the yellow part, I've engaged 7.52%, and in the support I've engaged just 1.12%. so this is just explanation of what I've done, all of my contributions for this week. So it updates weekly. Alright, it updates weekly. So that is it. So I was talking about wallet. This is just the minor part of it. So from what we have here, you can see my balance here 175, which is my real balance. So if I go to wallet now, we can now you can now find that my balance, you see we don't have the estimated balance because that is not the final balance, but the one we have as my balance, which is the active balance, it's showing here very well. That means I can trace all of the transactions that have been happening here. So now I think in the next video we can talk about the trade and possibly explain the charts that we have here. but for the sake of this video, I'll talk about the transaction history. You can actually monitor all you've done in the Meeds Builders hub, so it's very beautiful. So by clicking on last transactions, you can see what I've done so far. Alright, these are my transactions. I've received one Meeds, I've received this, I've received, so you can actually click on them to explore more. Alright, so you can see your transaction from what wallet to what wallet and what day and the fees and all of that. So it's actually a beautiful thing to see here. So with the following these few points, I've been able to take you through and then explain how the Meeds wallet is and the wallet balance. So in our next tutorial, we'll be looking at possibly the trade and every other thing that is involved in it, and the charts that we have here. I'll explain the charts. So thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.